Dhruva, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this minimalistic makeup look for this Valentine's Day using the products by the brand NYBae. So I really hope that this video helps you out, and before we dive into the video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video. So without wasting any further time, let's quickly dive in. So guys, I've prepped my skin and applied a moisturizer, and the first step that I'm doing is applying this green color corrector. This is basically for hiding your acne spots. Then I am going to proceed using an orange color corrector. If you are having a fairer skin tone, you can also use the yellow one. This is basically to hide all the dark circles, fine lines, if you have any pigmentation, discoloration. So this is basically to even out your skin tone. I'm using my fingers to just blend everything properly. You can also use a beauty blender to do so. Also, I'd like to add that the texture of these color correctors by NYBae are really soft and they blend in really nice, as you can see in the video. Next up, I'm proceeding by applying the foundation. I have these two foundations from NYBae, liquid foundations in the shade 9 and 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of both of these, blend them and mix them together to achieve my desired skin tone. I'm doing that using my fingers, and once I've achieved my skin tone, I'm evenly applying it out all over my skin using my finger. You can do it using a beauty blender as well, and then using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend it all properly and perfectly. Blending is honestly the key while you're doing a makeup to achieve a very evened out makeup. Don't forget your eyelids, don't forget your neck, and just keep on blending. So guys, as you can see, I've applied the foundation on my skin properly and perfectly to achieve an even skin tone. Next up, I'm proceeding with applying the blush from the brand NYBae. I'm applying it on my cheeks using this brush. You can even use your fingers. I am personally very comfortable using my fingers because that just makes things easier and you can blend it however you like. So yeah, that's that. Moving on, I'm going to apply the highlighter. I have two shades. One is a little bit of coppery gold, another is a bit of pinkish gold. I'm applying the copper one on my cheeks again to achieve that shimmery look for Valentine's Day. So I'm applying it on my cheekbones, my nose, my jawbone. You can also apply it beneath your eyebrows if you like, because highlighter is honestly my favorite makeup to use. So yeah, that's how it's looking. I feel the pigmentation of the highlighter is amazing. Next up, I'm moving by applying the kajal by NYBae. I'm going to use this as the kajal and as an eyeliner both. This is a roll-on kajal, and as you can see, it's super smooth and very dark, so you can get the coal eye look that you desire. So I always prefer having bold eyes, and this kajal just did that. So yeah, I'm pretty much done, and I'm just going to apply a light lip gloss to complete the look, because as I said at the beginning of the video, I am trying to achieve a minimalistic look for Valentine's Day, and I think my job is quite done over here. So yeah, this is what the final looks look like. It looks as if it's super natural, not a lot of products, yet you get that glowy look that you desire. And yeah, so I really hope that you found this video useful. Let me know what you think about this makeup video, and if you enjoyed watching it, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.